Yes people, so the second thing I'm going to make is garlic ginger paste. No need to buy this, it's very easy, very healthy, very simple to make, and delicious in many recipes, especially Indian based cuisine. So here's my nice garlic that I bought from Mazda and the ginger. So bear with me while we get this done. Yep. I'm gonna make this ginger shot, just a single one for myself. So I'm just gonna use a nice little piece of ginger like this. Just gonna strip it. Some people don't bother stripping it, but I'm gonna strip it. Just give me a second. Okay people, I'm gonna put in ginger first. I've cut them up a bit smaller so that you know, it can fit into my food processor, which is not a very big one. I'm gonna put a couple of the ginger. Some of the garlic. I must tell you this while I'm doing this, that you don't have to use a food processor. You can do traditional and use mortar and pestle for a nice authentic feel, but you know, I'm doing easy life today. Okay, yeah, so I have ginger and garlic in the food processor. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil just to get smooth, extra virgin. I love it. I'm gonna whiz this away now, and then I'll add the remaining ginger and garlic. Right, so it's looking now. Right, there you have it people, finished product. I'm gonna give it a tiny juice of lemon, just a tiny drizzle, which I know it's probably not traditional, but a tiny drizzle of lemon to help to preserve it. And I'm also gonna add some haldi powder, some turmeric. I should have bought some ground turmeric, but just a tiny bit of turmeric to help to extend the shelf life of this ginger garlic sauce. You know, that's how we're doing it. Okay people, I added a tiny bit of olive oil in there as well. Hopefully it doesn't spoil the ginger garlic sauce too much. And now I'm just going to drop some haldi powder, i.e. some turmeric in it. About 2 tiny, yeah. You want to smell the flavor of that ginger garlic sauce with a hint of lemon and olive, and the turmeric just extend the color, let it look nice and rich. Not gonna get it like this in any supermarket, so I think the best thing to do is at home make your own ginger garlic sauce. You know exactly what you're putting in it. Alright, so let's take that off now people. Yeah, then I'm going to bottle it up nicely in a jar, but not too much time. The only time really is to strip the ginger and the garlic straightforward. Alright, so I'm going to put this in here, transfer it to this container here. Oops. Smells so nice and fresh people. Nice and fresh. So I'm going to bottle that up. I'm going to leave some in here because I'm going to use this in a minute. You have to smell that, people. Smells so hot and nice.
Yes, come on, shorty, let's go. Girl, I see you over there in the corner of the dance floor, and I know you're acting shy, looking at the corner of your eye. So I pick my heart up off the floor, move my feet closer to yours, catch my breath and I say, I'm the one you're looking for. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king. Show you everything that you've been missing, shorty. So come on, dance a little dance. Got me in a trance in just one glance. So don't wait no more, I'm me, I'm more. I'm the one you're looking for, shorty. Girl, I see you over there hesitating, deliberating. You keep me waiting on a sign, looking at the corner of your eye. So I pick my feet up off the floor,